the único que
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, located on your seat. If you do not wish to perform actions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Sa mga panahon na nakaupo sa exit rows, kasama po lamang ang passenger briefing hall. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi magagaparan ang mga pagkakailan ng exit row, ipagpagawa na sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
May we request everyone to kindly safeguard all those items, especially hard objects such as flags, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage or designated overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Pinakikiusapan po lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga daladalahan ang anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng flags, tumblers, at electronic devices bago ilagay sa ulo ng kompartamento. Maraming salamat po.